वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक होगा वो ट्रांसफार्मर परफॉर्मेंस ऑपरेशन का हिस्सा है। वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन। वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन है क्या? वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन कैन बी डिफाइंड एज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नो लोड वोल्टेजेस माइनस द voltages at rated output divided by rated output voltages. Mean rated voltage. What is rated voltage? Rated voltage, the voltage that are obtained on the rated load mentioned on the nameplate of the transformer. Here VR is the rated output voltage. Rated output voltage means the voltages that are obtained on the output of transformer on rated load that is mentioned in the nameplate of transformer. Whereas V no load is the no load voltage that are obtained on transformer at no load. For percentage no load, it can be multiplied by 100. Usually the voltage regulation is kept as low as it can be. Lower voltage regulation means you have a better performing transformer. Similarly, we may have negative voltage regulation in case if we have a load that have a leading power factor. If we have a leading power factor load, then we can have negative voltage regulation. I am going to repeat it. What is voltage regulation? It is defined as the difference between output at no load, voltage output at no load, and the output voltage at rated load divided by rated voltages. It is voltage regulation. Voltage regulation is kept minimum for better performance, and voltage regulation can be negative in case of leading power factor. Now, how can we drive voltage regulation equation? Here I have a single phase transformer with a high voltage side and a low voltage side. For getting the equation of voltage regulation, the complete impedance of circuit is considered. Here the impedance consists of the resistance and reactance X, which is combined as written as Z equivalent. LS mean lower side, the side which is on low output side. So for calculating these ELS voltage, we have to obtain two voltages, that is no load voltage and output at rated load. For no load voltage, this switch will remain open. For no load, this switch will remain open. Then means you will get ELS as your no load voltage in case when the switch is open. For getting the voltage at rated load, this switch is closed. After closing this switch, now apply Ohm law here. You will see the output voltages on load will become ELS is equal to ILS into Z equivalent into LS. Now what is I? ILS is the current that is flowing in the secondary circuit or in the low voltage circuit. When this circuit pass through this impedance, it will have a drop according to Ohm law, which is given by ILS dot multiplied by Z equivalent plus VLS. What is VLS? VLS is the voltage that is obtained on the load. That is VLS. Now you have got two voltages. One is no load voltage when the switch is open, which is equal to ELS, and one is voltage which is obtained, or I can repeat that. For getting VLS over here, what can you write? It is ELS minus, this equation can be written as VLS minus, VLS is equal to ELS minus ILS into Z equivalent. Now this is VLS is the voltages that are obtained at rated load of transformer. So I can write that the voltage regulation ELS or E no load, ELS or E no load voltages minus the voltage obtained on the rated power divided by VLS. Here VLS mean the rated output voltages multiply by 100. It is percentage regulation for this circuit. Considering this circuit, we will get this equation. So for convenience, the equation used for voltage regulation is no load voltages minus our rated voltages, rated output voltages divided by rated output voltages. Rated mean the output that is obtained on rated load mentioned on nameplate of transformer. Now for making things easy, consider an example. We have a single phase 500 kVA transformer, which is a step down transformer. It is stepping down 7200 to 2400 volts. It is operating at rated load with a power factor of 0.82 lagging. So we have been given as power factor, secondary, primary and secondary voltages, transformer rating. Now total resistance and reactance offered to high voltage side is, now you have given as impedance, which consists of resistance and reactance. It is given as 0.8777 ohm and 0.1972. 0.197 is your resistance and 0.877 is your reactance. Now what we have to determine: equivalent impedance on low voltage side, no load voltages, voltage regulation at 0.82, power factor lagging that is given in the question statement, and voltage regulation at 0.95 leading power factor. Now as in previous lecture, you have learned about turn ratio, which is equal to Vp over Vs. We calculate A or turn ratio as 7200, which is Vp primary side voltage, and 2400, which is secondary voltage. We will get the value of turn ratio at 3. Once we have got our turn ratio, we can now calculate the equivalent impedance on low voltage side by a formula that was discussed in the previous lecture of transformer, which is given over as R equivalent low side is equal to R equivalent over A square, where A square is turn ratio, or I can say that Z on secondary side I can refer it as, we have to calculate on low voltage side. Z low voltage side is equal to Z high voltage side divided by A square, where Z comprises of two parts, that is resistance and reactance. So we can calculate it as separately. We have given R equivalent as 0.197 and we have been given X equivalent at 0.877. Using these values and dividing them with A square, which is turn ratio square, we get our R equivalent on low voltage side and X equivalent, or I can write that we get Z equivalent as 0.0219 plus J 0.00974 ohm. J is for reactance. For reactance you can use J or imaginary component, a complex number. Now in the second part we have to find no load voltages. You have to find no load voltages. For finding no load voltages, we have given as transformer rating as well as we have been given as secondary voltages and primary voltages. In this case, for no load voltages, we can say that Vs is equal to VLS because there is no load. So I can calculate ILS, which is given by S is equal to V into I conjugate. This formula is used for calculating current. We have given S as 500 kVA. Using S 500 kVA divided by VLS, which is secondary side voltages, given as 2400, and it is with angle 0. So the output obtained is 208.3 ampere by dividing S with V. Now, as the current, as the power factor in the statement is given as 0.82 lagging, or we can say that cos theta is equal to 0.82. For finding the phase angle, I can write here theta is equal to cos inverse power factor is 0.82 minus 34.9. It minus here show that you have been given as lagging power factor. So now the current value will become 208.3 with an angle of minus 34.9 degree. Now you have this current is same, but you have now included the phase angle with the current. No load voltage, the question given was to find no load voltage. No load voltage will be same as 2400, which is the secondary voltage of the transformer, 2400. Now, as in third part, you have to calculate voltage regulation at 0.82 lagging power factor. So you have to calculate the ELS, or I can say that you have to calculate VR, rated output voltage, which is equal to VLS as learnt in previous formula, ILS, which is calculated here, and Z equivalent LS, which is calculated here. Now, using these calculated values, you can calculate the rated output voltage. VLS is equal to 2400, as I said. On no load voltage, the secondary voltage and no load voltage will be same, plus ILS, which is current at power factor of 0.82. Its phase angle become 34.9, multiplied by the impedance which is given over here. We have calculated this impedance using calculator, which it can be calculated as 0.0219 square plus 0.00974, sorry, here is 10 whole square root, and for its phase we can write as tan inverse 0.0974 divided by 0.0219. You will get these value by using these formulas. You will get these values. Now, for solving the equation for VR or ELS, you will get the rated output voltage as 2415 with an angle of 0.33 degree. Now, for calculating voltage regulation, use the formula discussed over here. You have given as ELS, you have calculated VLS. Now you are able to find the voltage regulation, which will become 2415 minus 2400 divided by 2400. Here you are using just the magnitude of voltages, multiply by 100, which will give us a voltage regulation of 0.642%, which is a quite good voltage regulation. In the fourth part, you have to calculate voltage regulation at 0.95 leading power factor. Very simple part, as you have calculated voltage regulation at 0.82. Now for 0.95, what will change? Only the thing that will change is the thing that change is the phase angle of current. Is the phase angle of current. Let's just look at this. Now you have given as 0.95 leading power factor, so phase angle become 18.2. now the current will become 208.3, which was same, but the phase angle was in previous case given as 34 degree. Now it will become as 18.2 degree. Now calculate ELS using the previous formulas, and the output ELS calculated over here is given as 2398 with an angle of 0.5 degree. Now calculate the voltage regulation. In this case the voltage regulation is negative. The voltage regulation is negative because of leading power factor. As studies over here, I have written negative voltage regulation can occur in case of leading power factor. So here in our second case we have given leading power factor, so the voltage regulation is therefore negative. I think this is enough for today's lecture. Keep visiting this channel and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, any query, please write in the comment box. Thank you.